Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix add friend not working on Snapchat. So guys, if you are using Snapchat and when you want to add any friend on your Snapchat app, so guys, as you can see here, simply when you have click on this add friend, then guys facing any kind of issue related add friend, so guys you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys you need to check your internet connection. If not connected, then guys you need to connect any Wi-Fi, and guys if you are using mobile data, then guys you need to turn on your mobile data. And guys secondly, you need to go back, scroll it below, and guys you need to click on here the option of app management. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys click on app list. And after this, here you need to search your app Snapchat. So guys, after this you need to open your Snapchat app, click on storage and cache, and guys you need to clear cache of this app. And guys after this you need to open your Play Store on your phone, and guys after opening this, here you need to search Snapchat. And guys after this you need to search your app, and guys you need to update your app if not updated. And guys after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys maybe there is network problem. So guys you need to open your settings here, scroll it below, and guys click on system, and guys you need to reset phone, and guys click on reset Wi-Fi settings. So guys simply you need to click on this one, and guys if you're using mobile data, then guys you need to select that sim in which you are using mobile data, and guys simply you need to reset your settings. And guys after doing this, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.